Customer goes down at one of 850 sites. You need a piece of equipment replaced in Houston in 4 hours to meet your SLA. Do you have a resource you can count on, day or night? At Concert Technologies, we stand ready with a network of rapid deployment resources nationwide, with spare equipment secured and ready for those emergencies. That means getting your equipment to your customers' sites as soon as possible, in compliance with your SLAs. Our skilled local technicians are adept at replacing defective equipment quickly, so your customer's outage is minimized. Decades experience orchestrating nationwide and global technology rollouts makes Concert Technologies an ideal choice for handling your SLA's responses for equipment. And our on-site technicians can support your team in resolving equipment issues quickly and consistently across your entire enterprise network. Equipment sparing and smart hands, where and when you need us. That's how we roll. Concert Technologies, orchestrated technology rollouts.